this is a really magical experience. You can see some of these stone statues are hundreds of years old, and they've obviously, I mean, somebody's obviously putting these lucky charms on. Just incredible. This is obviously a community of Japanese colonialist families that stayed, right, in the Republic of China. There's all kinds of geometrical rocks here. So this is a heart of these two llamas. I mean, when were there llamas in Taiwan? I mean, goats, I understand. Then you have these giant elephants, which looks a lot like a Thai shrine. Does look like a Thai Buddhist shrine. But I just want to show some of these ancient geometrical megaliths. This is the kind of thing you find, these grooves and notches, some kind of large gear infrastructure. The remains of like an old bridge. Everywhere remains of something old. Look at these bamboo trees. Just incredible bamboo. Look how thick it grows, porous even, like human bone. Obviously, very good for your bones, right? Lots of remains of like an old empire here. Look at this, old tiles in the middle of the forest. Yeah, what could that have been? Like an old house, maybe? And look at this. This is one of the most beautiful things here. This is a really old, it looks like some kind of really old bridge. That's another suspension bridge, maybe entranceway, steps going up to the suspension bridge. And that would have gone across to the other side. So there was a bridge here. Can you believe that? There was a bridge and a path in another town. Or at least a path and some kind of infrastructure. But everywhere I go, there's these bloody lanterns. Look, another lantern that landed there. And the paper just pollutes the whole area. The whole area is polluted by lanterns because of the nearby lantern festival in the town of Shifen. Sorry, not Shifen. Shifen is a different place. Shifen is where we are now. But yeah, it's very beautiful. It's an incredibly beautiful village. Very old. And you really feel like you're in Japan. I don't feel like I'm in a Republic of China. I feel like I'm in Japan. And everywhere there's little temples on top of mountains. It's just fascinating. Look at this one here. So another walkway up there, I guess we could go up there as well. So this guy's like tying these charms. Just beautiful, just a beautiful settlement. A beautiful little village. Ancient, obviously ancient hydropower station. Ancient Tartarian station. Everything here is about energy, electricity. And here we have one of the Buddhist gods for good fortune, to help the miners probably. This must have been constructed when the Japanese were mining all over this area in the early 20th century. Here you have some Moorish elephants. The original Tartarian elephant. And the local deity. Again, the local deity does not look Chinese. That looks more like a Thai god. Thai deity, probably from Egypt. Formosa Republic of China. Shifen, Taipei.